While lenders require you to obtain homeowners insurance, it can certainly be overwhelming, especially if you're purchasing your first home. Let's go over the basics of home insurance so you have an idea what's covered and what's not. Hello and welcome to our series on protecting your biggest investment, your home. I'm Beata Goslin and I'm the Housing Program Manager at Cambridge Credit Counseling. Today we'll be discussing homeowners insurance, also known as hazard insurance. As with most insurance policies, we're paying for protection we hope we never have to use. But in case of emergency, you want to make sure you have adequate coverage. Let's start with the basics. The most basic homeowner insurance covers the main structure, your home, personal property, which consists of the contents of your home, such as appliances, furnishings, clothing, and electronics, secondary structures, such as detached garages, liability in case someone's injured or hurt on your property. The basic coverage usually covers the property, its secondary structure, and contents against events like fire, lightning, damage from theft, as well as burst pipes and roof that collapses under the weight of snow. In most cases, it will not cover you in case of a flood, earthquake, or a hurricane, and the newest addition, mold. If you live in an area prone to any of those events, you may be required to carry additional insurance or purchase a separate policy. Let's talk a bit more about personal contents of your home. Most of your personal property, meaning the contents of your home, will be covered. The amount of compensation you receive will be limited by the type of coverage you chose. Typically, you choose between replacement value versus cash value. Many experts recommend that you go with replacement value, which means your damaged or stolen items will be replaced with equally valued items. Cash value coverage would only replace the actual cost minus depreciation, which would reduce the amount you are compensated. What about specialty items such as collection of expensive watches or jewelry? Unfortunately, unless you carry separate coverage, your jewelry is usually only covered up to $1,000. So if you have valuable antiques, jewelry, or other specialty items, please discuss them with your insurance agent to make sure you are fully covered. Finally, liability insurance. This type of coverage protects you if someone is hurt on your property, up to the policy limit. In some cases, it may also protect you against incidents that happen away from home. Please make sure you have adequate protection. Experts recommend that you carry liability coverage of $500,000 or greater. That last bit could matter, since once the coverage limit is exhausted, you will be liable for the difference. I hope you found these tips helpful. That's all the time we have for today. Join us in our next video as we continue our talk about home insurance with more tips and filing insurance claims. Please like and subscribe to our videos for more ways to protect your biggest investment. I'm Beata Goslin with Cambridge Credit Counseling, and thanks for watching.